What's up, y'all? Boombox Mike back again with another unboxing. This time, bought my wife a radio for her car. She has a newer Enclave, and she's ready to upgrade, but we wanted to try and keep all the features and stuff intact in a radio. So this is what we came up with. This is supposed to be a direct factory replacement. For her car. It's called an Eonon. And with every car, every time you buy one, they always throw in a free gift. Now, per instructions, right off the bat, man, this is a nice box. Comes with, it's pretty good. Most of the ones that I looked at, they're around $200 to $300. Some of them are a lot more than that. Comes with a nice booklet. It's an Android touchscreen. Has like all the iPlay and stuff like that. Supposedly this radio should plug straight in to her factory wiring. Oh look, it even comes with a nice bag, you guys, a nice Ziploc bag. And everything feels quality. Did come from Hong Kong. It is a China-based. Holy cow, guys. Check this out. That's a heck of a wiring harness. What do we got here? Okay. Alright, okay. Alright, so this is the interface to keep the door chimes and all that stuff. Here's the speaker for it. The plugs look right for my factory plug. I have had it out. I'm going to assume that goes into the back of the radio. Okay. Audio out, mic, subwoofer, audio out, front right. Okay. Not so bad, not so bad. What's this? This has got to do with the reverse camera. May have to run a couple of wires, it looks like. Audio output right rear, audio output right left, rear left, my bad guys. Yeah. GMC reverse input, so hopefully we got a plug that just goes straight into here. Little microphone, not horrible. Antenna, dang GMs, you always got to have that crossover piece, that adapter piece. USB plug. It actually has 2 USB plugs. Navigation. Yeah, guys. Not too bad a radio right off the rip. No CD player, no DVD player, obviously, all touchscreen. Comes with a mounting kit already on it, which looks identical to the one in my wife's car, so far so good. And it's heavy, guys. It's definitely not your cheap plastic radio. For being a China-based radio, it's a huge heat sink on the back of it. It's actually pretty happy with it. And like I said, when you buy one of these, it gives you options. You can get different stuff. You can get an OBD reader for your car. And then it'll display all your OBD stuff on your radio. Not exactly sure why we got the backup camera, but we got the backup camera. Sorry, there you go. I think this was just in case I couldn't get the factory one to work, but it looks like we might be able to make something work. I don't know, we'll see. If not, we did get the backup camera. It's pretty little, guys. Not too shabby. I know you guys are wanting to know all about some specs and how many watts it puts out per channel, and I just don't know all that. This is as new to me as it is to you. This was just the best option I could find for a factory replacement for an Enclave. Well, it's got a nice user manual, guys. I mean, even these pages are, this thing's pretty nice. That's kind of what it'll look like, I guess. Here I was saying, here's a bunch of the accessories. This is everything that mine came with. Looks like it's got a pretty detailed instruction about how to wire it up. Like I said, it does have Android CarPlay. This is basically all just set up. Navigation. I don't know why all these new radios only come with one sub out. Yeah, it's basically just how to set it up. There's not a whole lot of info about it here. It is Wi-Fi capable, so you can download apps and stuff from your house. Here's some of the specifications if you guys want to pause it or whatnot. Now, I don't remember exactly what model number this particular one is. It is a something Q series. I do remember that. Alright, guys. Well, it's got a nice feeling screen on it. Don't feel like a cheap cell phone screen. Alright, guys. Well, we're going to try and get it hooked up here in the next couple hours. And alright, guys. We'll see how it goes. Later.